Okay, so this is a video for that one JoJo fan about how to change the batteries on these misting fans. So, as you can see, we have our Amazon AA batteries to the side here. Yeah, so tape on the floor. Yeah, it didn't go in the bin, but whatever. Now, camera, focus please. Right here, this is where the batteries go, in here. Now, you're going to need a screwdriver to get the batteries out. So, we now have our screwdriver set. Let's hope this should do. So, let's do the older one first. They have the same mechanism, this one's a bit broken. So, what you want to do, see this, slide it. You require, once you slide, while you slide this, you push it out. So, like this. Ignore the Bell and Holly's little kingdom in the background. It's not me. As you can see, the battery compartment's in here. Now, take a screwdriver. Let's see if we can get it out. Try and get your screwdriver in here. And then, see if we can get it out like that. Okay, now our old batteries. Put them over there. Repeat the same for the other one. As you can see, taking the batteries out. I don't know what it says in there, but yeah. Now we take our two batteries. Yeah, the Tattoo boxes there. Now we take these two batteries. Now, the lighting's terrible, but the spring's in here. This flat side goes where the spring is, so the battery will go in that way for the top one, and flip it around the other way for the bottom. So, always put in so the flat side makes. Oh. But yeah, flat side will meet the spring like this, and then push. Now, this is your way because the spring's here. So you put it in like that, and go like that. And now, before you put the housing on, test it. As you can see, it runs. So we have put it in correctly, and it moves out. Now we've got it in. Now we need to put this compartment back on. So, as you can see, we have to put this side in first. Now, this side goes in here, this way. Hopefully I can speak loud enough. Once you push it in like that, you push this back, and it's just sliding like that. And push a bit here, and yeah, that stays on. To test, try and like see if you can. Oh, dominoes. But yeah. Now repeat the same for this. But this one's a bit different. This one's a little bit broken, like it's jammed here. So you can just. So as because it's jammed, I could just pull it out like that. Yeah, it's jammed, and that's annoying, as you can see. Sorry that my camera won't focus. Usually we'll say open and an arrow right here, indicating you push it that way. Now we just replace the batteries, so you do the same thing. So, get the screwdriver in here, move to the side, and get the battery out. Now always do it by this end. Always do it by this end. It's much easier. Sorry about the Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom playing in the background. That's not me playing it. I'm with Garbage Bish. Yeah. Now you put it in as like normal. Oop. Flat end goes on spring. Okay. Turn it on. Always test it before you put this on, unless this is like the spring compartment for the fan. Then yes, if it's not running, like if this wasn't running, then I put in the batteries wrong. So if this one was flipped the other way, it would not run because the batteries aren't in the right. And for this, same thing. Slide it in here, like that. Like that, and then just go like that. There you go. And hopefully like that should be done. Don't need these old batteries. Put this screwdriver away. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to mine and Garbage Business channel. And yeah. Hopefully Fat Jojo fan, I think your name is. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. That's the video on how to change the batteries in these. Okay. It might not be the best, but I tried. Anyways, see ya.